Hi all of you. So in today's video, we will be discussing about macros. A macro is simply a pattern that specifies how a sequence of functions are to be performed. So basically, there are number of ways in which macros are used because macros are being used in every application of MS Office, be it MS Word, MS Excel or MS PowerPoint, but their functionality is always same. In PowerPoint presentation, macros are created using a programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Okay, so for creating macros in PowerPoint presentation in your slide, one should have knowledge of this language, Visual Basic. Now, when you create macros in PowerPoint presentation, the macro based file extension for PowerPoint is PPTM. Okay. Now, how do we do that? This is one slide. Come to developer menu, and here you can see Visual Basic, macros, macro security, and here are some list of controls like this is label control, text box control, spin button, command button. So these are various controls from which we will be using some for creating our macros. Let's first select to text box control. So bring your mouse pointer to text box ActiveX control and select it and bring the mouse pointer to your slide and draw a text box there. So this is one text box. I will select another text box. This is another text box. You can change the size by just dragging it. Now let's take one label control. And let's take one command button control in which you will do the coding. Now you can edit these controls through its property window. Suppose I want to change some properties of command button. Right click over it. Suppose I want to change the name of this command button. Command button object means I want to change the text of this command button one. So you right click over it and select the command button object, edit. Now I can change the text. Okay. Some more properties, like I want to change the back color, you go to properties and here comes the property window of command button. Suppose I want to change the back color and I select. Okay. Similarly, you can change the properties. You can change back style, border color, border style. You can edit, change the properties of this command button. If you want to put border, you want to insert some back style, so you can do it from here. Okay. Even you can change the fore color like this. Okay. Similarly, if I will do some editing in label control. Okay. Now let's change the back color of these two text boxes also. Now we'll change the label object also. Suppose I'm removing this label one, okay? I'm just keeping it empty. So here are two text box, one label control and one command button control. Now let's close this property window and we double click the command button to come to the code window, okay? So this is Visual Basic Editor and we are doing coding in command button. So let's do our coding. We are doing the code basically to add two numbers and the result of addition of two numbers should be displayed in the label control, okay? So like this. Now just save this coding. For this we go to save presentation 1. Now when you create macros in PowerPoint and you are saving that file, so come to that text box, save as type, and here it's written PowerPoint presentation. So in this you have to select PowerPoint macro enabled presentation, okay, because you have created macros in PowerPoint slide. So you will save in this format, save as type. It's already exists, so if you want to replace it, yes, or okay, I will change the name. Let's change the name of presentation. I will do presentation 11. Exists presentation 12, okay? So if you want to replace it, you can, but I'm not replacing it. I'm changing the name of my presentation. Okay, now we'll save it. So it's saved. Now let's come back to our presentation and let's do the slideshow. So towards your right bottom there is icon of slideshow. You can select this icon and do the slideshow from here also. So let's give any two numbers. In first text box I have given one number, in second text box one number, and let's click the command button. The result of addition of these two numbers should be displayed in this label control, which is colored as pink, okay? So I click the command button and this is the output which is displayed in the label control. Similarly, you can edit the data in text box, in any of the text box. Suppose I give you it. Again I click the command button and the new result will be displayed in the label control. Similarly, you can edit data in first text box and again click the button. So basically the code which you have given in the command button is being executed when you run your slide, okay? When we click the command button, two numbers gets summed up and the result of that addition is displayed in the label control. This coding you have done in the Visual Basic Editor. So this is how you work with macros in PowerPoint, okay? So all this about macros in this video. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching it, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.